Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to sketch and draft this component right here. Okay, first let's go to create sketch and assign some view. Now we're going to draw a circle of diameter 40 mm. And we need to extrude it. So go to solid, extrude and click this plane. And we need to extrude to the distance of 30 mm and give OK. Now slightly tilt the solid. And now we are going to go to create sketch again and click this plane. Now we are going to sketch another circle on this plane which is 20 mm diameter. So go to circle and draw a circle with diameter 20 mm. Okay. Now again go to solid, extrude and click this plane, and we need to extrude it for 30 mm and give OK. That's all guys. We got the required component as you've seen here. Thanks for watching my video. Just subscribe